Hi friends, welcome to the Shorthand Hub channel. This is Hari Naganand Idumudi, instructor of Shorthand. For all Shorthand grades, I am offering legal and general dictations. For this Shorthand subject, I am conducting both online and offline classes for the students. The link provided in the description box allows user to join the Telegram group. If you want to join in the Telegram group, please press the link and join. If you feel that this dictation can help you in the examinations, click the like button, share the video and make a remark. Get ready for the dictation. Ready? 1, 2, 3, start. Ladies and gentlemen, I am very happy to see all of you, those who are experts in the field of education, health, and also eminent political leaders who are ruling the different states as well as in the center in their respective areas. I am glad to note that this conference is going to discuss the most important problems facing the country at present, that is unemployment and poverty. I would like to share my views with you. It is now time that you should rather think of these instead of indulging in very petty issues such as the communal rights, for which the main cause is based on a particular caste which affects a handful of people and thereby making waste of time, ignoring the major problems of unemployment and health hazards. If we neglect or ignore, it will affect the people, young children, and youth who are the pillars of the future of India. I have no doubt that the government in the past have drawn many schemes to overcome the problem of unemployment. The present government is continuing the good schemes which were already in pipeline. At the same time, if any scheme is not giving expected results, the present government is very keen and will not hesitate to abolish such schemes and introduce new and viable scheme for the overall welfare of the state. To combat against unemployment problem, we all must pledge ourselves that not to depend entirely on government's help but start to live on their own by establishing their own business according to their qualification and technical skill they have. Poverty is another biggest menace in our country. I would like to emphasize the intervention of the government in this regard. There are many reasons for poverty in our country. Lack of right action, activities in various sectors such as agriculture, industry, etc., is one of the reasons for the prevailing poverty in our country due to natural calamities such as floods and droughts are hindering our agricultural operations. If government pays attention and forecasts the issue and constructs the multi-purpose projects. To some extent, we can come out from the dangers of floods. But in the case of drought, government in the state where the drought conditions prevail, state government should request through the central government the necessary food grains from the neighboring state where there is surplus stocks of food grains. Dear sirs, I have been acted as the sole agent for your goods in this country, and you have been pleased to express your thanks for the services I have been able to render. Today, I am not meeting with the same measures of success as in previous years, and I have to put before you one or two points for your consideration. In the first place, competitive price and prompt delivery are essential if I am to maintain my reputation as a salesman of your goods. In view of the competition from neighboring states, although there is nothing to fear from the quality of our goods, there must be no delay in the delivery of orders. In the second place, I must draw your attention about publishing catalogs in English. Many of our customers are knowing Telugu and few only can understand if we print our brochures in English. Hence, it is better to print them in Telugu also. Yours faithfully. Stop. If you want to get more updates, please subscribe our channel. Students can join the Telegram group by clicking the link provided in the description box. Small note: grammar locks, contractions, special contractions, phrases, advanced phrases, special list of words needs to be written in every 15 days. Then only you will get a better speed in stenography. Important links including grammar locks, etc., are given in the description box. If you feel that this dictation can help you in the examinations, please click the like button, share the video, and make a remark. If you want to get more updates, please subscribe our channel. Thank you.